Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I wanted to show you unlimited B2B lead generation with GoHighLevel. So step by step process, I will show you how to generate the lead generation with prospecting tool and moreover, and how to find the decision making customers also. Interesting, right? So without wasting any time, so let's dive into that tool and show you how exactly is going to be help you to generate unlimited B2B leads for your business. So very simple. I'm sharing my screen and show it to you. And Here we go. So I'm using like a GoHighLevel software. So GoHighLevel agency view. I'm in GoHighLevel agency view, and like GoHighLevel is providing like an white label services where you can resell to your customers also. If you are like a digital marketing agency person, if you wanted to start your own digital marketing agency, and if you wanted to find some B2B leads like for business to business leads, and with this tool you can prospect that leads, and you can find that reporting service and everything. It will be show very clear point to point, very simple thing. So in GoHighLevel agency dashboard you will find this things. Okay, so if you don't have this dashboard, I just shared that link in the description, so you can find it for 14 days free trial, and you can also experience and you can test it out for your business also. It is absolutely 14 days free trial. You can grab that link in that description. So very simple. I'm in the agency mode, and I'm clicking on this prospecting one. So if you wanted to find the new prospect, you just need to click on add prospect. So you can get some leads from this prospecting tool. So entire world, you can get some leads also. So which exactly the location, country, state, region, whatever it may be. So from where else you are going to be find that leads, you can search it here and you can get some leads. So very simple. I want like services holiday services in New York City. Okay, so holiday services in New York City, New York. Okay, so I'm just clicking on enter. So with this reference, I see like a lot of leads are generated. So GoHighLevel will find what exactly the missing factor in their business, and you can give this up as an agency owner. We need to offer some services, right? So we can make some $97 per month in recurring manner, right? So GoHighLevel will help you B2B lead generation with this kind of prospecting, and you can completely automate this process also. You can start sending some emails, and you can validate that emails whether that person is open that email or not. Everything you can track it in GoHighLevel dashboard. It's a very powerful system. Okay, so very simple. See, these people are having Google My Business and they don't have WordPress website, and the conversion rate is only 59%. Okay, so you can find like this. Okay, so you can find like this what exactly the services they're having, what exactly the drawbacks they're having, why their conversion rate, like what exactly the reviews are, and rating is very low. So you can find some report also. I will show you how to generate that report and share it to the customer, and automatically they will realize what exactly the missing factor in their business, and they will show some interest to buy some product and service from you. Interesting, right? So this is how you can find like unlimited prospecting things. So let us imagine I just wanted to find this kind of websites, holiday services with IHG. Okay, I'm just opening this prospect, so I can get some contact number, so where there is a pin code, so which city they are from and everything. So I can click on generate report. So what GoHighLevel will give you the entire prospecting report. You no need to convert the customer. So this is not having in your Google My Business, this is not listing in your profile. So you no need to convince them. By seeing the report, they can get some clarity. So yes, this is what I'm missing out. So you need to generate some report and share them in WhatsApp or email or something else, and definitely they will realize and they will buy some services from you. This is where you can make some passive income in your business in consistent manner without spending money on ad spends. Interesting, right? So for that business, so I'm generating some report, holiday kind of report. So what exactly the missing factor in their business, and I can share this report to the customer also. So it's generating, just give me like fraction of seconds. Like B2B, you can generate n number of reportings like this. And I will show you the way where the decision maker leads also happening. So whether they are active in LinkedIn or else like whether they are active in Facebook, and you can connect with them on social media also. So I will show you the right decision maker leads also. That is what we call like a ready to buy leads. I will show you that strategy also. You will get some clarity on it also. Almost like 67%, and just give me like 1 to 2 minutes, and we are done with this. And After this, I will show you whether the customer is available in LinkedIn or Facebook. Where else we can find the right decision maker lead also we can find it. So it's taking some time, almost like 69% done. So we can generate the report like this. So I will show you some businesses already I have generated the report, and you will understand what exactly the missing factor in these businesses also. Once that report is generated, I will show you almost like it's generating. So once it is generated, automatically it will show you in the main dashboard. No need to worry. So you can go to the back to the prospecting. You see almost like a report is generated here. So this is what we are searching in, right? So very simple. Now what exactly I need to find this lead. So now I'm going to be show you the right decision making. The person is available in which platform, whether this is available in LinkedIn or Facebook. Very simple. I can click on this business profile and I can see the business prospect point of contact. So this is where I can get, you see, like these people are very active in Facebook, LinkedIn, and X profile. Okay, now, so I can contact them and I can show this also. Okay, so if I want some report, also, I can generate that report from here. So I can click on view report and I can see like entire report I can track it here. See where the business data is missing out. You see, like basically what exactly the percentage. I can export this in PDF format and I can share it to the customer, and definitely they can see their drawbacks where the SEO is missing and the Google My Profile is doing well and website performance is not doing well and listings, and these people are online reputation. So everything you can track this data and share it to the customer, and they will get some clarity, and definitely they will make some reputations. And the best part, GoHighLevel is offering you the unlimited sub accounts. And once the customer you show this proof, so they will ask your services. Definitely, we will do all these services for you. And with the Google My Reputation, everything you can do. I will switch to one demo account and I will show you how things you can do for one business, and you can make recurring $10,000 or $20,000 per month. That is what I'm doing in my agency. And you see, like I rebranded to the white labeled, and I am selling the services to my clients. Very simple. You can go to the reputation management once you connected their Google My Business, and everything they will get some clarity on it, how the things are working. So this is how you can offer landing pages, websites, WhatsApp automation, email marketing, end-to-end complete automation services. So if you really wanted to test it out, very simple. GoHighLevel is offering you the 14 days free trial. So check out that link in my description. So if you are having any questions, just reach out me on this comment box. I will happy to assist you and help you and guide you. And definitely we can reach out you and support you to set up your agency. And you can get this is the way we can get like unlimited prospecting leads. This is a very good platform. That is what I'm using for my agency. And same process you can use it and get unlimited B2B leads. Hope this video finds some valuable information. So if you're liking this video, just like the video and share it with your friends or agency owners. They will know how to generate like unlimited B2B leads also. So if you are having any questions or doubts, so just let me know in the comment box. So we are happy to assist you, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much and take care. Bye bye.